We'll guide you through how to allow your microphone and camera on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps a website is wanting to go and use your microphone and camera because that's part of the function. We're going to guide you through how this is done. It could be for a conference meeting or something else. We're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done, so make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Without any other further ado, let's get started. As you can see, currently we're already in Chrome. What you need to do is come to the top right and you can find the three dots and click there. Come down the list and find the option for settings. As you can see, here it is. Then what you need to do is go and click there. Come over to the left and find the option for privacy and security. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down, and right at the bottom is site settings. Go and click there. Then what you need to do is in permissions, we've got camera and microphone. So we're going to start with camera. Go and click on it. So what you want to do is at the top, choose your camera. Then you can choose the default behavior. So we can go and have it set to sites can ask to use your camera. And what you can do is just go and check the list, not allowed to use your camera. There's a site here which you want to go and use the camera on. Press the three dots to the right and you can go and remove it. Then press the back button in the top left and you can go down to microphone. Make sure you have the correct microphone selected at the top. And then what you can do is you can go make sure sites can ask to use your microphone is selected. And in customized behaviors where it says not allowed to use your microphone, make sure the site that you want to go and use it on is not here. If it is, press the three dots to the right and you can press remove. Here we are on a site where I want to go and use my camera and microphone, Google Meet. If you come to the left of the address bar, what you can do is you can go and press these lines like so, and then you can go and switch on camera and microphone like so, and then you're able to go and use them. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day.